Oh, oh, where are you going? Hey, listen, if I'm going to take the time to teach you how to do all this stuff, then you get your butt back out in that garage. And then you smash the subscribe and like button because I'm an awesome guy and I like to give free information. So you should do me a favor. But don't be walking away. We got things to learn today and to fix. So you better go grab your tools and get out in that garage right now. Right now. What are you waiting for? Go. Jeez. My dad says it's too black and it's not visible enough for people to see me. So I guess today we'll do something about that. It's just a lot of black, he says. And I guess that makes it complicated to see me. It makes sense. I trust my dad. I think if he says it's too black, it's too black. I added a little red and a little red sticker down there, but I guess that's not enough in his mind. So, well, let's get started. I think a good place to start is the chain. Let's replace the chain, give the chain some color, and then we'll start going crazy with my sticker setup on this, and we'll see if we can bring this thing to life a little bit. So let's go. It's a ripper now. That new chain is so great. Valves have been adjusted. They're a little chattery like they should be. It's got a perfect tune, perfect idle. New chain looking all sexy. Oh yeah. Yep, she's ready for the trip. Let's go.